Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio for YouTube content in CapCut PC. For example, so if you want to change the aspect ratio for YouTube content, you are just going to click on the ratio button right here at the bottom of the preview panel. Just click and you can select 16:9 for aspect ratio to create the um, YouTube content aspect ratio, or it just merge it or the clip. Alright, so that's how you can change the aspect ratio. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.